Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. My name is Kanella Ciraco. For those of you who are new watching and have no idea who I am an artist based out of Canada in, I'd say Toronto, Ontario, but I've recently moved to London. So I'm in London, Ontario. So for those of you who are joining me for the first time, welcome. Before I get started, I wanted to show you guys the dried results of my St. Patrick's Day pour. Look at this. I'm really happy with it. So there it is in its entirety. It dried perfectly. It did not move. It did not shift. And the shimmer in this is insane. So obviously there's a lot more gold in here, but I still love the green and the gold in here. I think it turned out so nice. Now, when this gets Krystal Resin, it is really going to shimmer in that sunlight, and it's going to make the colors pop a lot more as well. So this piece is an 18 by 24 inch canvas. I'm recording this video on actually St. Patrick's Day, but you're not watching it until Sunday. You're not watching this until, there's a piece of paper in the back. You're not watching this until Sunday, but I had to record this video earlier because I'm going away for the weekend with the kids. We're taking them away for the March break. Doing something fun with them. Anywho, if you are interested in that piece, 18 by 24 inch, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. All right, I'm gonna get started real quick because I'm actually on a time crunch. So I'm going to get myself set up and I'm gonna get started on today's piece. It's gonna be some really great colors. There are times where I look back at some older videos and I really like some color combinations I did way back. So I like to redo them now that I have better experience. You know, I use the hair dryer better. So I am going to duplicate a pour that I did from a while back, and I'm going to get started. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm going to get started and bring you guys down, and let's get started. I'll be right back. All right, everybody, here we are. This is a 20 by 24 inch canvas. I really liked the way I did the St. Patrick's Day piece where I did it vertically. And I really liked the wispy design I had done. So I am actually gonna do the same design because I really thought it turned out so well. And as you remember, if you watch the video, I explained the best way to learn how to blow out your pieces. So I'm gonna do it again because like I said, I really like the composition a lot on that piece. And so this is just 2 inches bigger. The other one was 18 by 24. This is a 20 by 24 inch canvas. And I'm going to be flooding the base with Amsterdam, not this, Amsterdam titanium white. I just mix it here in my bottles. I also have it in a water bottle in case I need more. So this is Amsterdam titanium white, and I also have it here in my squeeze bottle. And that, along with my colored paints here, are all mixed with Floetrol and water. I get a lot of questions lately. There are some people confused about, yeah, they know how I mix these, but do I mix the base the same way? Yes, all my colors, including any base paint, whether it's white, black, a blue base, whatever color base, they're all mixed with Floetrol and water. So they all have Floetrol and water, so keep that in mind. I've been getting a lot of those questions lately, actually. So base paint, Amsterdam titanium white. If you want to know how I mix my paints for various paint brands, you can check out my new video, number 434. It is a newly updated, new and improved video on how I mix my paints. So check that video out. I will link it up here at the top. Now, in regards to the video that I decided to take these colors from, I believe it was video 349, and it was done in June of 2021, so almost a year ago. So I'm gonna try the colors again because they turned out so nice. So I did change one color in that, so we'll see what difference it makes. So check out video 349 after this video and see if one simple color changed the entire look of this painting. I had Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. I took it out. I know, I don't know why, but I did. I took it out and I've now added Indanthrene Blue by Holbein. Okay, so Indanthrene Blue by Holbein. Then I have Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. Then I had Light Rose by Amsterdam, and I swapped that out for almost the exact same color, Pearl Pink by Arteza. I just swapped it out because it's a pearl and it's a shimmery metallic color as opposed to, here, I'll show you. Here's the Light Rose, and here's the Arteza. So they're literally almost the same. The only difference is this has a shimmer metallic to it. So that's why I swapped it out. I did not have Arteza paints when I did that video a year ago. And next I have Prussian Blue Phthalo by Amsterdam. And a color I haven't used in a while is Luminous Violet by Holbein. So now I have two Holbein colors in here. So I got to be careful not to overpower the painting with Holbein. And then topping it off, I have Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. Those are my colors. I am using my Conair travel hair dryer, and I am going to get started here. Let me put these in the order I had them in, like so. I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, everybody, I have flooded the canvas and I'm ready to go. All right, so let's get started. Keeping in mind this is Holbein, this first color, and I gotta be light-handed with it because I don't want it to overpower the painting. So let's start down here. And if I remember correctly, I kind of went like that. And then from here, I went like this. And then from here, kind of like that. I think that was the design, and if not, it is pretty. See how it's spreading? Can you tell? This is why Holbein is so rich in color, and you just have to be very careful with how much of it you use, because it will take over your painting. Absolutely will take over. All right, so there is my silver. All right, now we've got the pearl pink. All right, don't forget, I know I probably sound like a broken record, but the Fluid Art Escape workshop is happening in Naples, Florida this July. Tammy Anderson and I are doing that together. There are a few spots left if you are interested. Speaking of Tammy Anderson, if you don't know who she is, check her out. She's a very dear friend of mine, and she is so close to hitting 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I'm so proud of her, and I cannot wait. She'll be hitting it soon. So if you don't know who she is, and go and check her out, Tammy Anderson Art. I will link her YouTube channel up there at the top. Go ahead and check her out and subscribe to her channel and help her hit that goal of 100K, because she's so close and I'm so happy for her. All right, look at the, what's the first one? The Indanthrene Blue, how dark it is. I don't know if you can see that, but boy, oh boy, is it, woo, is it ever vibrant and taking over. So I'm going to squeeze a lot of this blue-green by Pebeo in here. All right. These colors look pretty. Let's pop the bubbles. All right. Now remember what I said in my last video. If you watched it, think about where you're going to blow everything out. So I hope I remember how I'm going to blow it all out. So let's get started. Well, that's interesting. So in my original piece, the luminous violet was so present in that piece. And it is here too. Over here it is, and here. But I don't know what happened to it over here. It seems to have disappeared over here. There's some really gorgeous cells happening here. I need to fix this blob here, and the rest of it I'm really liking. It's just so different compared to my original piece. Isn't it crazy? I really like it though. I love these colors. Okay, so I'm going to try and fix this here because I don't like this blob. I couldn't blow it out properly because I didn't want it to attach here, and I'm gonna try and separate this right here as well. Okay, and then you could always just use your finger as well, like that. So that hopefully stays. Okay, and then let's fix this. Ooh, that is pretty now. The violet came out in that part. Let's see. Oops, got my hand in the white paint, my palm. I don't think I wish there was some violet in here, and I don't know if I should add some or not. I'm gonna put some here on the edge and just see what happens. Worst case, if it doesn't work out, I'll just blow it over. I don't know if I should be fidgeting with that. But again, it's just on the edge. So if I don't like it, I'll just get rid of it. Oh, that's actually quite interesting. I actually like that. I don't think I'll do more of it, especially in here. I don't want to mess it up. And then there's this stream of white in here that I'm not liking, but I can fix it. There we go. Oh, I like that. Oh, this is so pretty. Wow. Okay, I'm liking this. Okay, I thought that was necessary. And then I'm just going to erase this one little squiggle line that I don't like here. Now, there's a lot, or not a lot, I mean, it's missing the pearl pink. You don't see much of it. It's just a little bit in here and here and here, and that's it. It's kind of gone everywhere else, but that's okay. I'm really loving these colors. So I am going to just touch up my edges, and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So I have fixed my edges. Don't forget to scrape your drips. All right, super important. Scrape those drips. All right, there you go. Do all 3 sides, or all 4 sides, sorry, and then come back 10 minutes later and do it again, and then a 3rd time. All right, let's check this piece out up close. Once my camera focuses, there we go. These colors are super rich. I really love the cells that formed in there. Why is my camera's acting up, or my phone? This is gonna have a lot of shimmer for sure. I'm gonna turn the lights off and turn the flash on, but it is a sunny day here today, so hopefully, my camera is not focusing. There we go. Hold on, be right back. All right, so I've got the flash on, and there's obviously gonna be shimmer because there's the Iridescent Pebeo Silver, the Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo, and the Arteza Pearl is also in here. So there's definitely shimmer. So when this dries, it shall get a top coat of Krystal Resin. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty there. And this piece is going to shine so nicely with resin on top. I like that cluster there. It's so pretty. All right, let's turn the lights back on. So there you have it, everybody. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Check out the previous video, which I believe was $3.49, and then check this one out and let me know what you think about the difference. I do wish there was a little bit more of the Luminous violet in there. It was violet, right? Let me see. Yep, Luminous violet. I don't know. I like both, but I think I like my original one better. What do you guys think? The original or this one? And as I mentioned, it is a 20 by 24 inch canvas. If anyone is interested in this piece, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com and purchase this piece if you're interested. So that is it for me. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that red subscription button and hit that notification bell. Everything you need to know is listed in the description below. Colors, timestamps, discounts to all kinds of different companies, Lolivefe, Krystal Resin, Arteza discounts, all kinds of discounts. So that's always listed in the description below. Amazon links, if you shop on Amazon, click on the links below. And that is it for me for now. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.